Alright guys, so ito pansinin ninyo ha dahil napanood natin at napakinggan natin ito kahapon no, sa affidavit of investigation. Mayroong mga naka-attach na affidavit. And isa doon yung affidavit ni John Mark Calilong and two others no. Ang napansin dito ni Attorney Mark Vinluan ay pare-pareho ng word, pare-pareho ng salita yung nakasulat doon sa affidavit na isinumite nitong sina Mark Calilong at iba pa, no? And ang nakapagtataka dito mga kaibigan ay malinaw na tinanong muna ni Attorney John Mark Calilong itong si Attorney Jeremy Lotok, no? Kung itong affidavit na bang ito ay sila mismo yung gumawa, sila mismo yung nagsulat at walang nagdikta sa kanila kung ano yung isusulat nila sa affidavit. Malinaw mga kaibigan na sinabi ni Attorney Jeremy Lotok na walang nagdikta dito sa mga taong ito. Ibig sabihin kung ano yung nakasaad doon sa kanilang affidavit, ito ay kanilang personal na experience, personal na knowledge at personal na mga napansin no doon sa video ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ang nakapagtataka dito mga kaibigan, word for word, verbatim. Ibig sabihin, parehong-pareho yung nakasulat doon sa tatlong affidavit. No? At ang malupit pa nito ay mali yung nakasulat doon sa affidavit ni John Mark Calilong. Mali din yung nakasulat doon sa dalawa pang mga agent. So, ano yun? Typo? Typo yung tatlo? O baka naman copy-paste? So, ito guys, no, copy-paste po ito. Very obvious. Panoorin natin at pakinggan ito.
I'm just asking if these were attached to the second judicial affidavit of investigation. So, in other words, the agent who executed these affidavits were John Mark Calilong, Geran, and Asuncion, correct?
Yes, sir.
And each agent executed their own affidavit, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, all were based on their personal knowledge, correct?
Again, sir, based on their personal knowledge.
Okay. So, nothing was supplied to any agent, correct?
I don't understand the question, sir.
So, nothing was supplied. Ibig sabihin, hindi binigay sa kahit anong agent yung isusulat niya doon sa affidavit. Independent nila ginawa lahat yan.
Yung affidavit ng mga
Correct.
agent?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All
Base
right.
doon sa
So,
kanilang
in
post.
other words, what you're telling this court is that these are bona fide affidavits and not template affidavits, correct?
Bona fide and not what, sir?
Template. Yung hindi pinirmahan lang basta.
Well, I think you can ask, sir, the one who signed the
Yeah, so ganun na.
affidavit, sir.
But again, this is part of your these are attachments to your affidavit of investigation. So you should have checked these at least, correct?
Your Honor, sa practice ho namin, may mga templated na talaga kung common na yung question. Ginagawa ho talaga yon.
Okay.
Now, para ma-clarify ho kayo, pwede nyo hong tanungin
Thank you.
yung
Thank you. So in
signatory.
other words, use template affidavits. Let me direct your attention to the affidavit of John Mark Calilong, pages 170 to 171, of the Articles of Impeachments G9. Allow me to read a portion of its paragraph. 5, it says there, no joke. Can we flash that on the screen? It says there, no joke, nagbili na ako. Yeah. Sige, can we focus on that part? Yan. So, here. Yan. So, no joke, nagbili na ako mama here on the bottom portion. Nagbiling na ako mama pag namatay ako. Alright? Do you confirm that there is a typographical error in the spelling of ma'am, which was incorrectly spelled as mama?
Your Honor, if with all due respect to our police, what's the relevance of a typographical error from being
We will
mom to
demonstrate that, Your
mama?
Honor. I'm just laying the basis.
What's the relevance?
On a
Typographical
short leash, counsel, show the connection and relevance.
Can we confirm first, Your Honor, if he confirms that there's a typographical error on Kalilong's affidavit?
I think since the signatories here are Agent Calilong and Attorney Vanang Luben, sila ho makakasagot.
All right. So you cannot confirm. So let me direct your attention to the affidavit of Geran, Agent Angeli Jean Geran, pages 178 to 179 of AOI's Annex G9. Again, let me read from paragraph 5 as well. It says here, can we zoom that portion? No joke, no joke. Nagbiling na ako, mama. Pag namatay ako. So, do you confirm that there's also a typographical error in the spelling of the word ma'am, which
Yeah.
was also incorrectly spelled as mama?
You can ask the one who signed this affidavit, sir.
So you cannot confirm also?
You ask, you
All
can
right.
ask, Your Honor, the one who signed
One
the
last,
document.
pages 199 to 200 of Annex G9 as well. This is now the affidavit of Priya Asuncion. Can I go to paragraph 5 also? Oh, no joke, no joke. Nagbili na ako, mama. Can you also confirm that there's a typographical error in the spelling of
Yeah,
ma'am, which was also incorrectly spelled as mama?
again, you can ask the one who signed the
All right. So
affidavit,
in
sir.
other words, all three affidavits contain the exact typographical error of the word mama, same paragraph number, and do you still maintain that these affidavits were independently executed?
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Before I recognize Senator Judge Zubiri, Counsel, I think inamin naman na ni Attorney Lotok na may mga templates sila. Kumbaga, may mga dekahon silang affidavits. Tama ba, Attorney Lotok?
Opo, Your Honor. Yes,
So,
Your Honor.
posibleng isa to sa mga dekahon yung affidavit? Is
Yeah.
that possible?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi same lang ho yung utterances eh. Siguro yung pag-copy-paste dyan, kung ano yung unang na-copy-paste doon sa yung utterance, yun na ho yung...
Kaya so, kasi parehong number 5, parehong mama, di ba? Meaning may point naman si attorney, may point naman yung counsel for respondent. So, it's possible that isa to sa mga dekahon yung affidavit.
Yes, Your
Available
Honor.
Attorney, Senator Judge Zubiri, what is your pleasure, sir?
Kung sa Bisaya pa, Your Honor, murag abogado. But yes, no, we appreciate the fastidiousness of the good counsel for the defendant on looking at all these particular issues. But due to the lateness of the hour, Your Honor, and I've been being egged by my colleagues here, we've been here for 6 hours to 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. May we request maybe counsel for the defense or the body that we just adjourn tonight and continue tomorrow, because all these details, after a while, I'm sure these gentlemen and ladies, both for the counsel and for the prosecution, has not even eaten dinner, and many of them are probably tired from sitting, as I am tired for sitting for 6 hours. May we take that break, Your Honor, and just continue tomorrow at 2 p.m.